Welcome, new Flynn Falcons. My name is Miss Egan, and I'm one of the 8th grade math teachers here at Flynn Middle School. Um, you are in the World Wide Web scavenger hunt, and in the instructions, it tells you throughout this scavenger hunt, use the internet to locate what is indicated on the slide. Be sure to link the website on the slide. So what I need to do is show you guys how to link a website, and there are two different ways that you can do that. So I'm just put my old lady glasses on right here so I can see a little bit better. So I'm going to go out and just find a website. I'm going to actually go out to the main RPS website. And let's say I wanted to link in the main website for Flynn Middle School. So once I'm in here, I'm going to have to go to schools and kind of just give me a drop down menu. And I'm going to choose Flynn Middle School because we're the Flynn Falcons. And so say I want to link this website onto my Google slide deck that I was just in. Up here is the address of this website page right here in this box. So I'm just going to click into that box. You'll see it all highlights. Then I'm going to right click and copy that address. So I'm on the RPS website. Now I'm going to go back to the slide deck that I had open, and I have a lot of tabs open. You might only have 2 or 3 open on your computer. And I want to link it to this instruction page just for practice. So I have 2 options. I can just come down here to the speaker notes and click in the speaker note box, and then right click and just paste, and it will actually just put the link in right there. I can click on it and it will take me back to the RPS page. Or if I kind of want to have it linked in, but I don't have this whole address showing in the slide, I can choose a word or a set of words. I'm going to choose the word website. So I'm going to click on the text box and I'm just going to highlight the word website. Then I'm going to right click, and down here I'm going to choose the option for link. When I do that, it brings up this other box, and right here it says paste a link or search. So I'm going to click in there and then right click and hit paste and hit apply. And now you can see that this word has kind of changed colors and it's now underlined to indicate that it's a link. And if I want to go back to that page, if I come and click on that word, it's going to bring up the website, which I can then choose. And it's actually bringing me back to that linked page. Okay. Now, the reason why we want you to go ahead and link these pages in is that there's going to be some questions throughout these slides that later on during the school year, you might want to use this as a resource to go back to those websites. You'll find that there's certain websites that you use quite often depending on the class, especially when you're involved in remote learning. Okay. So this way, later on, after school starts, you'll still have access to this, because once you start working on it, it's going to make a copy of it in your Google Drive automatically. You'll be able to go back and look at some of the websites you used and maybe use them in some of your assignments during the school year. Okay. If you have any questions, feel free to get on the call later today and ask me, or send me an email, and I am happy to help you. And again, welcome to Flynn Middle School.